everybody! I'm here today to tell you about the absolute best thing that you can do as a new driver. That's right, if you are a new driver, I'm gonna tell you literally the best thing that you can do. It is the absolute best thing that you can do, and I believe that every single new driver on this planet should do this one specific exact thing. Let's get right into the video. Basically, you should make a list of every single driving skill that you have in your driving skill set, okay? So you should make a list. Because you're a new driver, you're actually gonna have pretty much the most skills that you have. You might not be the best at all of them. You're gonna get better at them as you gain driving experience, but you're gonna know all of the maneuvers. Parallel parking, reverse parking, turning right, turning left, U-turns, three-point turns, blah, blah, blah. Because you just got your license recently, you're gonna know all of those things because you had to learn them for the driving test. So you wanna make a list. And then that's the first step. That's not where it ends. There's a little bit more to it. What you want to do next is every so often, I would say like maybe 4 times a year. So like every few months, okay? Every new quarter, let's say, or every season change. What you want to do is you want to refer to that list, and you want to then go over each driving skill and practice it and sort of see where you have gained, where you became better at the skill and where you've lost, where you got worse at the skill. I will tell you, the vast majority of skills on that list, you will get better at them over time. But there will be a handful of skills that you're gonna get worse at those skills simply because you don't use them often. And for those ones, that's where it becomes a key factor to being a better experienced driver. I will say this, the vast majority of people that have had their license for 20, 30, 40, 50 years are incredible at the vast majority of driving skills. But then there are those handful of skills that they don't use often that to be honest with you, they suck at them. And it's not a good thing simply because, those might be the critical skills. Maybe they're not good at checking their blind spot properly anymore because they stopped doing it, which is horrible, but it happens. So if that's the case, then they're gonna be an unsafe driver. So what you gotta basically do is stop and make a list of every single driving skill that you have, okay, that you have in your skill set. And like I said, because you're a new driver, you're gonna have the vast majority of the skills because you just learned them for the driving test. And then every so often, every 3 months, every season change, a few times a year, whatever the case is, even a couple times a year, you're gonna go back to that list and you're gonna practice all of them. And you'll notice you got better at most of them because you use them, like switching lanes to the right, switching lanes to the left. That's stuff that you probably do every day. You're gonna get better at those. But maybe you don't parallel park often, and maybe your parallel parking skill went down. If you don't fix it now as a new driver, you're gonna lose it forever, and it's gonna take you much longer to learn it again. So if you see that with some of your driving skills that you lost on them, that they went down, they became worse than what they were before, well then guess what? You got to practice them. Now, as an added bonus, what you can do when you're making this list at the beginning is you can give yourself a rating. So let's say like you put switching lanes to the right and you do it like perfectly. Okay, so 10 out of 10. Switching lanes to the left, you're almost perfect at it. Okay, 9 out of 10. You can do a rating for each of those skills. And then when you practice in 5 months from now, 3 months, 6 months from now, whatever the case is, whenever you practice, you can give yourself a rating again, and you can see if that rating went up or went down. That is like, if you want to be an incredible driver, that's really what you got to do. That's the path to take with the ratings. It's going to really allow you to see what you've done well with and what you need to work on. And that's basically it. That is the absolute best thing that you can do as a new driver. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.